Welcome to the AutoClerk Cloud tutorial on creating a new user. Note, this training video is for hotel managers only. From the dashboard, click on Setup from the shortcut options on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, under System, click on Users. Here, displayed are 4 buttons: Add, Edit, Delete, and Done. You can add new users, edit current users, or delete users who are no longer with the hotel. First, let's add a user. Click on Add, remove the default user, then select a login name for the new user. It is common to use either a first or last name and an initial of the user. Next, enter the user's full name. After entering the user's full name, enter a password. It is highly suggested to use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. After entering the password, select the new user's role. You can select from hotel staff, night auditor, or hotel manager. If the new user you are adding is going to be a front desk agent who will not be working night audit, select hotel staff. When finished selecting the user role, you can assign user permissions. You may select permissions specific to the user and the hotel's policies and procedures. The options are Permit Manual Rate, Permit Overbooking, Permit Edit on Rate Calendar, and Permit Folio Line Editing. If an agent will be allowed to manually enter a rate, select Permit Manual Rate. If an agent will be allowed to overbook a room type, select Permit Overbooking. If an agent will be allowed to make updates to the rate calendar, select Permit Editing on Rate Calendar. Last, if an agent will be allowed to make edits to a folio, select Permit Folio Line Editing. Next, select the language preference for your hotel. Last, if the user has attempted multiple failed logins, the checkbox labeled Locked will be selected. If a user is locked out, an employee with manager rights must go in and uncheck the box for the user to be unlocked. Once finished, click Save. If there are no more changes to be made, select the cloud in the upper left-hand corner. When you return to the user setup, you will now see the user has been added. This concludes AutoClerk Cloud tutorial on creating a new user.